Do you have a book hiding inside your head? And every time you try to get that book out and land it on the page, you look at it and you go, man, it was so much better inside my head. Maybe it's not a book for you. Maybe it's a proposal. Maybe it's a slide deck. Maybe it's a presentation for work. And you're just trying to get clear about your idea. But clarity is harder than it looks. I can help you because all those tangled threads inside your head, I'm really good at helping you untangle them and pull them out one by one so you can see them all neatly arranged. Choose what's best, take out the trash, and have that book or that presentation that's going to up-level your career. People who've worked with me have doubled their income, they've landed TED Talks, they've published books, and I want to help you get your idea out so that it can be helping you to serve the world. I'm Rebecca Mullen. Click the link below and tell me about how you have an idea that you want to get landed on the page. Or text me 970-210-4480. I can't wait to hear what it is that you have to give to the world.